Sight and sound of summer. Summer on the loch shore here is clearly moving on. These golden gorse blooms last week at the quarry failed to catch my eye. This week I cannot miss them. Less showy but so promising, the fresh soft green that beech uncurls in tender leaves beside the Pilgrim Path. At Brigid's well 2 weeks ago I heard the cuckoo song, its joyful falling minor third, but it was gone before my phone could catch it. Today it follows me around. I stop to savour sight and sound, to gladly gaze and listen.